Hey guys, welcome to Carnivore Expeditions. We are back at Project Helheim again this season. You may recall this is an entrance that we dug open last year. I will try to link that video to the end of this video, but today we're going to try to climb up a waterfall and do some bolt climbing to see if we can access some virgin parts of this cave.
Here's our expandable ladder, which we hope will fit. Oh man, this is a tight and awkward entrance. We should have made it a little bigger. I've got 2 packs with me today, a Swago and a Lost Canyon pack. I also have 2 ropes. Got a dynamic rope for climbing and a static rope for setting a traverse line.
Hey, I think Bradley got the easy part with the ladder. Oh.
We can see passage above this waterfall. What we're going to do is use the ladder to set a few bolts while avoiding the water, and then make a traverse line to get across into the passage. A lot of chert nodules, which can be dangerous because they break off. Brandon is using the hammer to knock off some of these chert nodules. We don't want to step on any of these and they come out from under us. Okay, we're about to set a few bolts and a rope, make a traverse line, maybe a couple of quick draws to make it safe.
Is that good? Okay.
Thanks to Brandon, we have a traverse line in place that gets us over this waterfall and keeps us out of the water. I'm going to tighten up these bolts a little bit just for safety. They seem like they're in there pretty well, but I'm going to give them a couple of turns.
Okay, we have Brandon at the top of the traverse, and we are in some virgin passage. And this is a survey as we go project, so we're going to be setting some survey stations and see where we end up. Looks like it's getting kind of low, and I'm going to try to push ahead a little bit more, but I'm glad I'm wearing a wetsuit. Okay, looks like it goes around the corner. Definitely an ear dipper. Oh man, that's...
Sometimes when you don't fit, you just have to use the hammer to make the passage a little bit bigger.
Okay. Break time's over. Geared up for the misery. We made it to a climb up chimney.
We surveyed about 200 feet. After 6 hours, we're going to start heading out.
About to drop a rock.
Okay.
I think there's one under my leg. Alright, I'm going to drop a splash.
Okay, the hammer. I got it. Okay.
Get back at the traverse line. 2 points of contact. Making my way back toward the ladder. We don't really need the ladder at this point. The next time we come into this cave, we can just climb up and down this rope and we don't have to bring in this clunky ladder. We made it back to the entrance and it's still daylight. I think it's around 5 p.m.
All right, the team is making it out of the cave. We had a successful day, got into some virgin passage.
All right, Brandon, clear.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel so you can catch the next episode. Have a blessed day.